So one other thing we need to add at this point as well is it's approximately roughly 10 litres of, well, the best soil that these people had on their property, which, as you can see, is lifeless. Well, nowhere is ever completely lifeless. There will be some microbes in there that are hanging on for dear life. So we're going to spread these poor chaps out here, and expecting that if there's anything that can survive in here, it's worth breeding up. So we add this to the compost as well. It's generally good practice to add good topsoil as well, because there's always going to be microorganisms in there which you want to, just getting that diversity out there. So we're just roughly 10 litres, 10 to 20 litres is enough in any pile. I'll just spread this around. Go free, my friends. Live. Let's break up any chunks. Look at that. It's just compacted, lifeless, well, almost lifeless. Not enough life to hold any crops. The farm where this is from, they have put in an oat crop to try and get oat hay for their horses, and basically within 3 weeks of the last rains, which are usually in September or October, those lovely green oats are dead. Dies off that quickly. This soil just has virtually zero water holding capacity and virtually zero nutrient, and almost lifeless as well. The other thing I needed to mention as well, which is to do with compost making in general, not just biovital compost, but any compost making, is when you're adding the water, if you see water trickling out on the ground, when it's not happening here, but if you happen to see water trickling out, two possibilities. The more likely possibility is that the water you're putting on, it's very big droplets. So, or if you're putting it on a bucket or something, it's just running out. You know, it's not sticky enough. So try and get the water as fine as possible, fine spray. That's usually the main reason why the water runs out. The other reason, which is pretty much impossible to happen in summertime because everything's so dry, but it often happens in wintertime, is where you've added water and it's too much water. It's literally saturated the pile, it's running out. At that point, just stop adding water. That's enough. So just had to mention that too. So.